Yeah, buddy.
Bro, you open the back one, there's no one in the back. This guy.
This is my boy's car, bro.
Who's the boy?
Zeno. Come on.
Alright, so today we're going to be doing Zeno's car. I'm going to show you the revs on it. So this is a C220D AMG.
Yeah.
Alright. Go for the revs now. Go start it up. Go on then. Oh, join with the back. Oh, this is the fake exhaust with the real one in there. The real exhaust.
Up there. It's very shit. Unfortunately.
Congratulations, Zeno. Liking the new car. Hopefully some new videos on this car.
Oh, Zeno. Let's swap.
What?
Let's
I
swap.
thought you liked the GLA.
No.
Nice.
I thought you were happy with the GLA.
Keep this one, I'll take that one. The GLA can be like a... Like just
Well, we'll keep the GLA as like a fun car. This one
Yeah.
will be meta.
Yeah.
So what we've done on the car, we've replaced one of the doors. It's right there. So yeah, it's done now. Thank you guys for watching.